Xtivia's Virtual DBA is your premier partner for expert database management and support. We guarantee top security and performance for all your databases, whether on-premise or in the cloud. Our expertise ensures your databases are always optimized and secure. Since 1999, we've provided proactive, cost-effective database monitoring, support, and administration. Our scalable expertise supports businesses of all sizes, often saving clients 40% or more on database support costs. We offer comprehensive remote DBA services for all major database platforms, including cloud environments and cloud-managed databases. We offer tailored virtual DBA plan options, including an all-US-based team model and a hybrid team model. Both models provide complete DBA and cloud coverage, with options for 24/7 monitoring. Our plans are designed to meet your specific needs, ensuring full-time DBA capabilities with flexible engagement. We offer continuous, secure, and customizable database monitoring. Our core system automatically alerts DBAs for immediate action, preventing downtime. We use efficient, auditable scripts and encrypted transfer methods, ensuring data integrity. You can define alert levels to match your specific operational needs. We offer secure, client-managed connectivity and communicate through multiple channels like email aliases, dedicated phone lines, and our ticketing portal. Our flexible terms allow you to adjust hours, and we provide regular status calls and usage reports. You can also leverage other Xtivia managed services with existing contracts. Our flexible service delivery allows customized support hours and multi-platform expertise. We tailor alert responses based on your business rules and escalation procedures. All cases are thoroughly researched, resolved, or escalated as needed, ensuring comprehensive case resolution. Our services can extend your existing staff or fully manage your databases, freeing your in-house DBAs for strategic initiatives. We ensure clear communication through a dedicated web portal and email aliases for seamless team interaction. For critical issues, simply call our 24/7 toll-free support line for an immediate DBA callback, or submit a web form. We also conduct regular or on-demand executive business reviews to ensure strategic alignment and optimize service delivery. Each supported platform receives a dedicated DBA, and we provide clear escalation paths for rapid issue resolution. Security is our priority. You maintain control over all remote support methods, defining client-managed connectivity. We proactively identify and address security weaknesses through regular assessments. Our highly vetted staff, internal security training, and adherence to industry-specific compliance ensure your data remains secure. We deliver core value with right-sized solutions, offering scalable DBA expertise to fit any size business. Maximize your ROI and achieve average savings of 40% or more on database support costs. We provide unparalleled coverage with comprehensive remote DBA services for all major platforms, including cloud environments. Our proactive monitoring, support, and administration optimize your systems, conquering daily challenges of your critical business information systems. Trust our experienced U.S. and offshore-based teams, providing virtual DBA services since 1999. To build your ideal virtual DBA proposal, we'll consider your service level needs, the optimal team structure, and your database footprint. This helps us create a solution that perfectly aligns with your business goals and maximizes your investment. Thank you for your time. To discuss a custom plan for your needs, contact us today via phone, email, or online chat at our website.